Welcome back to Base Camp, Western North Carolina. This week we're working on a water system for some people. They're on a shared well, and if you can see that pond down here in the picture right here, their well is off to the right hand side of it, and it supplies like 5 or 6 of these houses here, and the well is there, and then they push water all the way uphill. And there's actually a water tank, 500-gallon water tank right up here in the woods. And then it supplies by gravity feed to all these houses. And then what they have is a recharge pump to then bring the pressure up to 30-40 pound of pressure in the house. The problem being when the power goes out with snow and ice and whatnot, they have no water. Once that 500 gallons of water runs out between all these houses, then they have no water. So the house we're working on here today, this little homestead, has a spring, and we'll take you up and show you that. Well, here we are. The person who originally built this house, there's spring heads all over the place, but he captured this one here. It is flowing over 2 gallons a minute, which is still close to about 3,000 gallons a day. What we've done is we've come back down here, buried this tank in the ground, and it is a 250-gallon tank. It's partially buried in the ground, partially up. And then we have this valve bolt body. This is a 12 volt, 6 gallon per minute pump. Can pump up to 70 pound of pressure. It then comes out of it underground, and the water line's buried back up around the garage, back into the house. We had to leave part of this tank out of the ground. As you see, the previous owner has rain gutters, and he has a 6-inch perforated pipe drain tile, and that's what the tank can be drained. That's why part of it's out of the ground. But then the drain line will run all the way down the driveway and come out down there by the mailbox. So the tank can be drained and cleaned out. The pump will charge the house. We'll take you in there and we'll show you part of the benefits of this system. Is that the emergency pump can be turned on all the time, and it works in conjunction with their 110 volt grid powered recharge pump, and we'll take you in the house and show you that. Well, here we are down in the basement, and this is their inline from their gravity feed water. Comes right here, got a shut off, comes down. Here's a one-way check valve so it can't push back up. Goes into their shallow well pump, comes out here, got a drain, goes into their pressure tank, and goes up through their filter and then into the house. So right here's the line that comes from their emergency water supply tank. It'll come in this line right here. We're going to cut into this line. So then we have a check valve here so it can't push back that way. This is a line, an elbow, have a check valve here. So when the regular pump comes on, it can't push back into the tank. And we'll cut in, hook that line up. We have to get some cement to fill in the block hole on the inside and the outside. And we'll pretty much be done this system. We'll turn it on and run it up, make sure there's no leaks. And that's all there really is to it. So if I can help you out, we're a full contract and service. My website and email address is there on the bottom. Give me a call. If you have any questions, be more than glad to answer questions. Just post them for me or email them to me on the Gmail account. And as usual, if you like it, tell your friends about it, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.